Do you see what I see through the windows here? Anyways, there's Christmas stuff already out. Flowers. Lots of glitter and gold and silver and red. Okay, so shall we go down the Halloween things first and see if there's anything new? Oh, these are new. And the little witch hats. Super cute. I'm not sure if we got the little truck, you know, the Christmas truck. These are really cute little stick-ons. I'm all over the place because I'm super excited to see the Christmas things, but I really should go back to the Halloween aisle. So I think we'll go back and then kind of get a better look at all of these things in a little bit. Okay, never mind. I can't contain myself. Here's another display. And guys, look at the metal decals being put here. There are a ton. I already have 2 packages and I won't need more. But definitely if you need them, pop in fast because those will sell out so quickly. Okay, back to Halloween. So let's stick to the seasons in order here. First comes fall, then comes Halloween, then comes Christmas. So there are newer items available today compared to the last time I was here. Some new signs such as the Wicked. I think the Boo is new. Oh, the Beware. Anyways, all the Christmas ornaments are right next to it, which is like distracting me. Shiny things are distracting me. Oh my gosh, this is cute. I love that you can flip it over and look with the back as well. This is the only design, and I need it in my life. Okay, so here are the green trees, the mini ones. They're about, I think, 18 inches tall, and the little white ones. Okay, and back to fall. So a ton of signs still left here. I'm actually surprised. And lots of costume options, so we'll head down and see what's in the kids department, because these can be easily manipulated as well into adult costumes. Like I used the makeup is on sale. Anyways, I used like the unicorn stuff last year. These are cute little bags, although we use a pillowcase when the kids go trick-or-treating. And these remind me of the Laura Secord containers I used to give out the kids when they were little. These are new. Stencil tape. Wouldn't it work like masking tape? I'm pretty sure it would work just the same, right?
Haley, cash, please. Haley, cash.
See, this is where I bought that activity pad that was like a faux paper pad and it had all different colors. This one is the denim, but it doesn't look like they have any faux paper ones. They used to be in the kids aisle here, so maybe they'll pop up again soon. I'm so impressed with Dollar Tree now. These pink ones are one of my favorite letter trays, but check out this new stuff that they have. So these are actually metal, they're not plastic, about the same size. So cute. These baskets are great for transformation. If you want to like put some throws or something in it, you can wrap some jute or rope around it or fabric and then make it into a cute throw basket so you can put your blankets or even kids' toys. This is the first time I'm seeing these boxes, and I think they're really pretty because you can put a gift and then like the little box is repurposed in somebody's, hopefully in their room with, you know, like little loose trinkets or stationery or something. Hopefully these little boxes would be useful. They have quite the variety with the prints, so look at these little tins. I don't know why I'm seeing some of this stuff for the first time. It's not a place I spend a lot of time in because I do repurpose a lot of stuff, so I don't tend to buy a lot of birthday supplies. But it is nice to see some of the new things they have out right now, especially for planner covers. That's one thing I will use a little bag for. My daughter picked these out for back to school, and she loves the mechanical pencils and the way they work. These are great confetti pieces for making shaker pockets. I really need to work on Halloween pocket letter. I've been meaning to get to it, and I hope I find some motivation to do it. But these are super cute little confetti pieces. Oh, I'm so happy to see that they have all the scrunchies restocked. These are so in with the littles right now, and bigs, I should say, but they're back and trending. Oh, I love the clear organizers. Still have not seen the stackables restocked ever. I'm just not sure where they ever disappeared to, but these are all great little storage containers, especially for your craft room. Wow, this is Tana, which you'll typically find at shoe stores such as Spring or Aldo in Canada, probably other companies. But I remember paying anywhere near $10 for a pack like this. So I'm going to have to go through these and see what I need. Oh my goodness, and there's more of their brand here. Like if you go to a drugstore, you're going to pay so much money for this brand. I'm actually really surprised to find these at Dollar Tree today. Has anyone found any pumpkin spice at Dollar Tree? It's something I don't normally look for, but I just thought it's that time of year. If anyone has seen pumpkin spice, please let me know, because I'll continue searching for it. If it doesn't exist, then I might as well give up on that idea.
Got our vote. You don't need to talk anymore. Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Thank you. If you bring these through.
As you can see, there's quite a bit of e.l.f. product right now at the Dollar Tree. So this is something that's new as well. These are new. I've never seen mugs in the pet aisle, so I guess they're trying to put it in theme, but super cute little mugs for those who are pet lovers. Christmas cards are making an appearance, so this is the first display here. They are the more simple ones. I know as time comes, you'll start to see some that have like more dimension and layers, and usually I like those. But for now, this is the beginning. I actually finished shopping and then this caught my eye. I had to film for you guys before I walked out. I don't need wrapping paper this year. I am not allowed to buy wrapping paper this year. And so this is going to be hard, but this is all Hallmark Expressions gift wrap. Do you see the beautiful prints? Oh my goodness. I'm just not allowed to buy wrapping paper. I have too much because I bought some on sale last year. But here are the beautiful prints that you can work with. Genius over here. I may as well film this for you guys right from the beginning rather trying to roll around paper rolls for you guys, but you get the gist. Anyways, I'm gonna say goodbye as I walk out of here. I do look forward to sharing a few other Dollar Tree shop with me's and a ton of hauls with you guys. Until next time, everyone, have a wonderful day and thank you so much for watching. Bye for now.